And so another issue that I found myself personally running into was the headline risk. And especially nowadays, there's so much going on. Now, new war, unfortunately, taking place in the Middle East. Interest rates have been, an unbelievable influence, just to put it lightly, on markets. And I never was really able to figure out, when and where these things were happening. Now, we can't predict wars, but we can tell you, when Jay Powell goes on to speak. And so now, if you look at the taskbar down here at the bottom, there's a calendar icon. And when you click that, it'll show you an economic calendar. So today we had at 8:30 the Chicago Fed National Activity Index, the 3-month T-bill auction at 11:30 a.m. and the 6-month auction took place also at 11:30 a.m. I can click here on tomorrow, and now here's everything for tomorrow. And so I can actually, I can know what's going to happen. And I don't have to guess, and I don't have to find myself on the wrong side of the trade because, there was that, 6-month bill auction, and it turned out there were a lot more buyers than anticipated, which might, signal to the equities market that there's a lot of risk being priced in and people want to get out and go into a safer investment vehicle. It's just that easy. It's that easy. And along with that, while we're on calendars, we also have an earnings calendar that you can navigate to over here. And this will show you all the earnings coming up. So simple, so powerful. Just that fucking easy. You gotta love it. Yeah.